This video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the online scam related to the website Poseng.xyz. Poseng.xyz is a dangerous site. It attacks Google Chrome and it affects other browsers. It tries to make you pretty scared about the condition of your computer in order to make you download and install some potentially unwanted software. If you see these pop-ups, don't tolerate them. Such pop-ups are fake and really deceptive. So if you ever see these fake alerts by Poseng.xyz, do not trust these fake alerts. Leave this page. I recommend you to additionally research your device with Combo Cleaner antivirus by going to the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the software, this is the way it looks like, and then start carefully researching your system. Combo Cleaner antivirus will help you to effectively detect and eliminate other infections. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on the Start Scan button and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.